Hi everyone, this clip looks at incorporating Highway Code Rule 146, which is adapt your driving. Looking ahead, we are approaching a 40 mph speed limit on a busy multi-lane roundabout at a busy time of the day. I'll speed this bit up as we're waiting for the lights. Keeping an eye out in front and behind, you can see it's getting quite busy. I am going to adapt my speed and remain slower due to the time of day and how busy the roundabout is. My main focus is remaining in the centre of my lane while being aware of the position of others, also remaining slow enough that should somebody veer or change lane, I still have time to assess and deal with it. As the light has been green for a while, I am not speeding up to it because I'm anticipating it will change. Instead, I will keep assessing the space between myself and the car behind to support me in my decision on if it's safe to stop if the lights change. As I'm nowhere near the stop line when the light changes, a quick mirror check to assess the space behind, and I felt I could stop safely. Although I'm not sure the driver behind is too happy about it. One thing I would like to mention is that although the following driver clearly wasn't happy with this defensive driving style, they left enough room the whole time. There was no tailgating, no aggression, no added pressure, and that made this whole situation a lot easier. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and feel free to have a look at some of my other videos. Thank you again, and remember, adapt your driving to the current conditions. Thank you.